Igbaras, a second-class municipality in Iloilo founded by Dato Malaguis and Dato Labing Iso, has a rich history as a pre-Spanish settlement, often linked to Dato Maricodo's final years. Officially established as Spanish Visita in 1615, the town site moved multiple times due to floods, settling in its current location in 1752 under Father Juan Aguado. Pre-colonial and early history. Early settlers, founded by Subdatos Malaguis and Labing Iso. Name origin. The name stems from baras, or sand, or igbaras, meaning an abundance of sand, referring to local riverbanks. Pre-colonial evidence. Antiquities showing influences from the Ming and Song dynasties, or 960 after death, indicate it was a thriving, civilized area early on. Legends. It is believed to be the final sanctuary of Dato Maricodo and wife Maniwang Tiwang in the area of Mount Napulac. Spanish colonial era. Visita status. By 1615, the Augustinian missionaries established it as a visita. Town location issues. The town was originally located in Binanwaan, moved to Otas, then to Kabubugan due to floods before the final site was chosen in 1752. First official head. Don Diego Tamoo became the first municipal head of the pueblo in 1761. Surnames. In 1849, many residents were assigned surnames beginning with E, following the decree of Governor-General Narciso Claveria. American regime and later history. Revolutionary period. Known for a thriving resistance, the town was the scene of the U.S. soldier using water cure, torture on town leader Fabiano Eldama in 1900. Local governance. The town was merged with Guimbal in 1902 but became a separate municipality again on January 1, 1919, with Don Flor Evidente as the first municipal mayor. Natural disasters. The parish church and Igbaras, Iloilo is characterized by local heroes, particularly the 2006 Tangyan River rescuers led by 17-year-old Marben or Boy Boy Del Rio, alongside historical figures like Don Eugenio Yaldama, the first congressman in 1925, and revolutionary leader Julian Bocoy Sr. These individuals symbolize the bravery and public service embedded in the town's history. Historical figures. Don Eugenio Yaldama served as the first congressman of the 1st District of Iloilo in 1925 to 1928. Don Mariano Espeleta, a delegate to the 1935 Constitutional Convention, served as consul, general, and ambassador to various countries. Julian Bocoy Sr. served as Director Silio and joined the revolution against Spaniards and American as a primer teniente de Estrado, mayor under General Martin Delgado. Don Joveniano Eldama, parochial school head teacher and town president or mayor, who built a talugtog or fortress during the American regime in 1900 to 1902 and was a victim of the water cure torture. Legendary and cultural figures. Maricodo, Sumakwel, Diroan, Tamoo. Legendary figures from pre-Hispanic folklore highlighting the early Aita and Malay history in the area. Igbaras, a municipality in Iloilo, Philippines, boasts of being an ecotourism haven defined by towering mountains, numerous waterfalls, and the rare rafflesia, the world's largest flower. Its premier attraction includes the 1,239-meter-high Mount Napulak, the majestic Nadsutan Falls, and the diverse cave systems, making it a hotspot for mountaineering, trekking, and nature exploration. Key wonders Igbaras showcase to the world: biodiversity and flora. The municipality is home to rare rafflesia flower, a significant attraction for botanists and ecotourists. High mountain adventures. Mount Napulak is the most visited peak, offering a 360-degree view of southern Iloilo, neighboring Antique and the coast. Other prominent ridges include Sansan, culture of Igbaras, Iloilo, is a vibrant mix of agriculture-based traditions, ecotourism, and deep-seated religious faith. Centered around the Tangyan River and the town's lush, mountainous landscape, key cultural highlights include Tangyan Festival, scenic natural wonders like Nadsutan Falls, and a strong, resilient community spirit. Key cultural aspect of Igbaras. Tangyan Festival, held in third week of May. This festival celebrates the Tangyan River, the lifeblood of the town, highlighting its economic importance for agriculture, irrigation, and fishing. River traditions. The community practices panihod sa suba tangyan or fishing, and bukang dumok sa suba or netting in the river during the Lenten season, showcasing their connection to the river. Festa and religion. The annual town festa is celebrated on May 22nd in honor of Saint Rita de Cassia. Ecotourism and nature. Known as a gateway to adventure, the town's culture includes preserving natural attractions like Mountain Napulak, Nadsutan Falls, and the habitat of rafflesia flower. Local history and landmarks. The town features the Parthenon of Western Visayas, or a local plaza structure, the historic St. James, the Greater Parish Church, and the Taytay Tiger Bridge. Heritage and games. Residents maintain traditional practices including the use of native games like sungka,